Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really special because we're getting ready together for my birthday. I am going to create a soft glam makeup look that pairs perfectly with my beautiful pink gown. While I do my makeup, I also want to chat with you about this birthday, what I've learned over the past year and my goals for the year ahead. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable and let's get ready together. Good makeup always starts with a good skincare. I want my skin to look fresh, healthy and naturally glowy. So I'm making sure it's well hydrated before I start. I am using a primer to smooth everything out and help my makeup last all day because birthday makeup has to stay put. If your skin tone is medium warm, choose a shade that matches your neck. I am using a medium coverage foundation because I still want my skin to look like skin. The goal is a fresh, radiant finish, not a heavy one. Birthdays always makes me reflect on how much I've grown. I am so grateful for every single person who watches my videos. Next I am using concealer. Choose one shade lighter than your foundation. Apply under eyes, center of forehead, chin and around the nose. I am just brightening the center of my face to give it a fresh, awake look. This year I want to stay consistent with YouTube. I want to create a content that makes me genuinely happy. For the pink gown, I want a soft, romantic eyes that complement the dress without taking over the whole look. I am excited to see what this new year of our life brings. Brush them up lightly and fill any sparse areas. I am keeping my brows natural because I don't want anything too harsh. I am keeping the liner really thin because I still want this look to feel soft and feminine. Next, mascara is the step that instantly makes me look more awake. Blush is honestly my favorite makeup stamp because it instantly brings life back to the face. You guys already know how much I love this blush. It always gives me that fresh, healthy glow, so of course I had to use it for my birthday makeup. A little extra blush because birthday makeup deserves it. Next I am using loose powder. I am only setting the areas that tend to get oily so my makeup still looks fresh and glowy. Next I am using highlighter. Apply on a cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, just enough glow to catch the light beautifully. For the lips, I wanted something soft and glossy that ties the whole look together. I am keeping my hair soft and effortless because I want the gown to be the main focus. And here's the final outfit. I absolutely fell in love with this pink gown. It's so elegant, feminine, and honestly makes me feel so confident. I think it's the perfect birthday outfit. And this is the final birthday look. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and let me know your favorite part of the makeup in the comments. And since today is my birthday, I'd love it if you could leave me a little birthday wish. I promise I'll read every single one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.